If you subscribe, you can have a rock.
We will send you one rock.
All right.
Hi. Okay, so today we're going to be doing the install of the KFI plow, the 60-inch plow. It's going on a 2018 XMR Outlander. So if you order the kit, you should get everything. As far as I'm aware, you'll get the mount that's here. I'm not going to show you every way or how to put it on, but we'll kind of walk you through the basic process because I've never done this before. So that's the mount. Then you have the push bar and all the parts for the plow, the springs, the feet, the brackets for the feet. The push bar already came all put together, but they do give you instructions. I'm assuming that maybe some models don't come fully installed. I don't know. But I was told that I might need an extension for the push bar. I don't think I will, but we will find out. Other than that, if you put a plow on these, you definitely want to either go to synthetic rope for the winch or change the rollers. What would that be?
The fair lead, the
fair
roller
lead,
thing.
Yeah. Can-Am has those for like 40 or 50 bucks. Other than that, I don't know. The instructions are online too, so I mean, if you want to look at those before you buy it, they are on there. The kit number, I will leave in the description because I don't have anything in here that is for that. Oh wait. The part number, oh, you can't even see that. Part number there. So this is for the whole, all the G2 chassis. Renegade should be the same. As far as I'm aware, I'm pretty sure they are. This kit did say Renegade on it, but from what I've seen online, it's the same plow mount. And that'd be the only thing that would be different with this. Other than that, yeah, that's about it. I guess we'll just start installing. We'll get the pieces in place. Then we'll talk about how we did it, because like I said, I'm really not sure. The instructions seem pretty simple.
Yeah, we'll do like a recap of what we did to get the parts in place once they're in place,
Yeah,
and then we'll show you what goes where and how we did it.
The only thing you're going to have to do now before you start putting the skid plate on is see if you have a front sway bar, because if you do, then you're going to have to remove that out of the way so you can put this strap over. I'll show you that better, but otherwise, if you have an XMR, from what I believe, they don't have front sway bars, so you should be good and be able to put the mount on right away. So continue the install. Okay, so coming underneath here, the rib nut, because this doesn't have any nut plates in it, you're gonna have to put that in there. So your skid plates here, just for visual, skid plates here, about this far back, right? Probably even with this bar, the forward bar and the running
foot
board,
pegs.
the foot pegs, yeah. Oh fuck they are. You'll have these two big holes, okay, on either side, but there's no hole for the actual nut where it goes in here. So you're going to see here, this is the hole that you need to put the bolt through with the rib nut. The rib nut looks just like this, okay, and that's going to sit up in the frame, and that's going to be on the inside of the frame. This is where the bolt's going to go through, so it'll be right up in here. I think we're going to have to go from that way.
Goes up and in.
Yeah.
Into that channel. Like that.
But you're definitely going to have to drill some holes. I drilled 3 to try to find where we were going to go, but yeah, that should work. So we'll get the plate on. The front part's easy. It's just this bar that goes right over the front part of the plate. Just
right behind your aft end of your A-arm there.
Yep. And then if you, like I said, if you have your swing arm in, you're going to have to take that out to get this bracket in. Then you can just put that right back in. So we will continue on.
Okay, recording. We're good.
All right, so we have the plow on now. The plate was probably the most difficult thing. Once you get the rib nuts in there, just put the bolts through, tighten everything equally. Don't tighten one side and then all the way and then try to tighten the other side. You need to do everything equally when you come to put that plate For the plow, it's pretty easy. You have 2 bolts that run in through here on the bottom that go through the mount and the plow here. And there's little rubber pieces that go inside there, so you just tighten that up. Put your springs on, put the mounts for the feet on, which are here. And that's about it. Other than that, definitely going to need to get a different roller for that winch because that angle for it is, it's really hard. So I'll definitely have to get that other roller. So if you want to go, the only problem you're going to have is if you're running 30s or I don't even know what size you'd put down to, you're not going to be able to go full lock all the way over. So that's about as far as you'll be able to go. If you want to go to the last step, it's going to hit the tire before anything else. So that's when you will need the extension, but realistically, I don't plan on plowing any more than that angle anyway. Other than that, it's been, it was an alright install. It wasn't that hard. It's built well. All the welds look good on it. It's not like it's hacked together or anything.
They're not cheap bolts. It's not.
Yeah, it's all grade A or grade 8.
Yeah.
Hardware. I mean, you could get the Can-Am one, but I don't have any problem with this. That mount, where it actually mounts to the plate underneath, it's probably less than a 1/2 inch that you're gonna lose a ground clearance.
Yeah.
And even
without the plow on.
Yeah, without the plow on. Honestly, you could probably take that plate off if you really wanted to. It's only 4 bolts. Once you put it on once, it'd probably be easy to take it off again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Definitely gonna have to get that roller though, because you can see the angle that's on this cable right now. It's not gonna last very long before that cable starts to come apart. Because the Can-Am one is a bigger roller on the bottom, so it's less of an angle that the winch has to drop down. Like I said, those are only like 40 or 50 bucks, and that'll save you a winch cable. Or if you have rope, rope should be fine, but I would definitely recommend getting that other roller just because all that stuff's expensive to replace. So yeah, so we'll make some videos of it plowing. I don't know how well it's going to do on Outlaws. We will find out. I know that people have done it on Assassinators and have had decent results with it. Yeah.
Just need some snow.
Need some snow. Want to go riding. Go snowmobiling, but still kind of waiting. We had some snow last week, but it's gone now and it's starting to get cold again, so hopefully it'll stay cold and go riding, make more videos. So it's been kind of lame for us because it's been either cold or
raining.
So we're both busy with work and stuff. So we will have more videos coming out soon. We're up to Michigan a few times this year, so that should be fun. But other than that, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell, comment. If this video helped you out, share it definitely. So I haven't seen any other plow install videos for these. But other than that, yes, that's it. What should they do, Todd? Should they subscribe? Or
They should subscribe and click the bell.
They should.
Yeah.